The clamor of justice for Ankita Bhandari continues to grow in Uttarakhand. In fact, across the country, people are demanding justice for the 19-year-old girl who was murdered by son of a Bharatiya Janata Party leader. Right now, we are outside the mortuary where the mortal remains of Ankita Bhandari are kept. And these are the people who have come from different parts of Pauri, different parts of Srinagar, where we are right now. Srinagar, that is a town in Pauri district of Garhwal. And these all people are demanding justice as well, blocking this very crucial highway. This is Badrinath Rishikesh National Highway. That is the only route for Char Dham Yatra, and because of this road blocked, that entire yatra is choked as well. There are hundreds of vehicles that have stranded. As far as the yatris, the pilgrims are concerned, these all women, children and all people who are present here, you can see they all have come here for one purpose, demanding justice for Ankita Bhandari. Now, the police have conducted, the doctors of AIIMS Rishikesh yesterday conducted a post-mortem on the body of Ankita Bhandari, and the post-mortem report has not been made public. According to police and the administration, it cannot be made public because it can be used against the victim to weaken the case by the defendants, and that is why it is going to be submitted only to the court in a sealed envelope, and that is the procedure. But right now the police is trying its level best to take the mortal remains out of the mortuary and help the family do final rites. The police and the administration have already said that the family has agreed for the last rite of Ankita Bhandari, but the locals here, the people here are saying that the family is under pressure from the administration, and that is why they are not agreeing to even the appeal by the district magistrate and the top senior officials. In fact, you can see the police officials are trying to make an appeal try to make an appeal to the people to let the mortal remains come out. Women police, Uttarakhand police senior officials are present here right now, but the people are demanding for justice and are saying that till the time an assurance is given by the police and by the government of Uttarakhand to the people of Uttarakhand and to the family of the victim, they will not vacate this highway, and they will also not let police take out the mortal remains. There were also questions that why exactly this entire matter was in fact not conducted properly, it was not investigated properly, and there are a lot of demands by people. Some are saying that another post-mortem should be conducted. However, the administration has cleared that the entire procedure of post-mortem was conducted by an expert panel of AIIMS Rishikesh, and the entire procedure was videographed as well. We'll just try and speak to the locals here for a moment and try to understand that what exactly is going to be the next step and what exactly are they demanding right now. जी आप लोग अब क्या डिमांड कर रहे हैं? यहाँ पे काफी ज्यादा विरोध चल रहा है, लोग वो बॉडी बाहर नहीं आने दे रहे हैं, प्रोटेस्टर जो है, क्या मांग है?
हमारी मांग यही है कि हत्यारों को सजा मिलनी चाहिए, फांसी की सजा एकदम से, ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए इसमें, भाई हम यही चाहते हैं।
अभी आपकी
जिन लोगों ने उसकी हत्या की है उनको भी फांसी पे लटका दिया जाए,
बदला लेना चाहिए, वही बदला लेना चाहिए। वो लड़की
इसका उत्तराखंड की बेटियां सुरक्षित नहीं है।
तो क्या कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा है कि पहाड़ों में भी मतलब ये सारे वारदातें बढ़ती जा रही है? आप लोगों का क्या मानना है? जैसे पौड़ी ऐसे मतलब पहाड़ों में कम इंसिडेंट रिपोर्ट किए जाते हैं प्लेन्स के मुकाबले, आपको लगता है यहाँ पर भी लड़कियाँ सुरक्षित नहीं हो रही है?
यहाँ पे अभी जैसे सरकार को यहाँ पे होना चाहिए था, अभी टेंसिंग रात हो चाहे पौड़ी के विधायक हो चाहे यहाँ के विधायक हो, उनको यहाँ होना चाहिए था अभी इस समय ना, इस समय है नहीं अभी। हमारा सारे लेडीज हैं यहाँ पे खड़ी हो रही है, उनका साथ देना था, है ना। अभी इस समय कोई नहीं है, पर हम
इस बात से भी आप लोग गुस्सा है? कब तक आप यहाँ पर हाईवे ब्लॉक करके रखेंगे? क्या
फांसी नहीं होगी तब तक हम यहाँ।
लेकिन अब कोर्ट में जाएगा मैडम, कुछ वक्त तो लगेगा।
लिखित आश्वासन देते वो हमें,
पब्लिक के सामने
लिखित तो बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, आश्वासन दिया जा रहा है बस हमें। हम आश्वासन पे बात नहीं करेंगे, हमें लिखित आश्वासन चाहिए इस चीज पर। हम अपने को सुरक्षित कैसे महसूस करें? आज एक अंकिता बनी है, कल को 1000 अंकिता बन सकती है। हम लोगों को अपनी सेफ्टी चाहिए ना, हम कल को बाहर पढ़ने कैसे जाएंगे? हमारे माँ बाप हमें बाहर कैसे भेजेंगे? अगर आप एक बात बताइए, ये हो रहा है तो इससे हम लोगों के लिए तो कहीं ना कहीं एक वो तैयार होना है कि हमारे घर वाले सोचेंगे हम अपनी बेटी को बाहर कैसे भेजें। तो आज हम यहाँ इसीलिए खड़े हैं कि आज उसको न्याय जरूर मिले, ताकि एक मिसाल बने कि आगे चल के हमें भी दिक्कत ना हो।
So an example should be set here is what the people are saying. You can see continuously people are raising slogans. People are in fact questioning the administration for the delays. Now, as far as the case is concerned, the body was found. The body of the victim was found yesterday morning. The accused were arrested day before yesterday, and the murder took place on 18th of September. So it seems that there were 4 to 5 days when the action was not taken, and the police is saying that because the first missing report was filed at the revenue police, that is the reason that police could not take action initially, and that exactly is the reason people are angry with not just the police administration but the government as well. With camera person Prem Singh, I'm Akshay Dogre, Pandi TV.